I got on the wrong train. So now I'm in a town called Lubliniec. Lubliniec? Lubliniec. Something like that. Anyways, luckily I got the best possible wrong train so that there is a train that actually goes to where I want to go in an hour. And so I think there's like nothing going on in this place except there's supposed to be a church 8 minutes away from the train station. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go check it out, but there's like nobody here. Oh, that's the church. And yeah. It's called St. Anne's Church. There's a plaque in front, so let's see what it says. The gardener told me I can't go inside, and he said either it's only open on Sundays or it no longer works. Not quite sure which one he said to me because in Polish the word for Sundays means like the day of not working. So. It's a pretty cool wooden church. It's decorated, so I think what he said was only on Sundays. Because if it doesn't work, it wouldn't be so well maintained, I think. Here's some famous people from this town. Well, not from this town. This is Richard Courant. He's a very famous mathematician. As it turns out, I was born here. And his cousin is Edith Stein, who's a German philosopher and also a saint in the Catholic tradition. So actually, the biggest attraction, I guess, in this town is a memorial to her. Well, this was a pleasant surprise to visit Courant's birthplace. That's kind of cool. Here's the inside of another church that I can't go inside. Apparently this town was founded in like 1236 or something. And this church, it's been here since about 1300. This is older than Yasnagura, which is why I spent a better part of my morning. But it's right next to the main town square, which I guess I'll go back to now because the church isn't open. It's an icon. I'm getting looks from people. I'm pretty sure that I am one of the few Asians who has ever stepped foot in this town. Now, that church was the Church of Saint Mikołaj. I don't know what that is in. I don't know what his English name would be. But I'll just show the small town square. And that'll be that, because it's a very peaceful small town with no tourists. There's an exchange place here, which is interesting. I guess at some point, sometimes tourists do come here. Nice old houses. This is square. That's it. Walking back to the train station now. Apparently there's a language school that I missed. Teaches English and German, I think. English and German. And right now they're in the back. Even in this tiny little town, they teach English and German. Extra classes for the kids. Very nice. Very nice. an example of the Polish parking sign. They teach you how to park your car. So here, of course, half the car gets on the curb, and half the car not on the curb. This is what the second class intercity trains look like. 6 seats in the cabin. I think this is the right train because this time I asked the conductor. I just showed him my ticket and asked him if this is the right train, and he said yes. So hopefully this will get me back home in 2 hours. There's a nice table, some outlets. Usually you put your luggage on top, some lights you can turn on, and yeah. There's bathrooms on both ends of the train, of the car. So this is it. I made it. Gonna go back. Go back to Krakow. Originally, I really didn't want to lose the afternoon to sightseeing because there's still a lot in Krakow I wanted to see, but took just an unexpected detour. But that's okay. I still have tomorrow.